Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You must act quickly and calmly. Signal and move the vehicle to the hard shoulder or a safe lay-by, then switch on hazards. Once stopped, put on a reflective vest and exit on the passenger side only if traffic conditions allow. This reduces risk of passing vehicles. Before you leave the car, read and memorize the nearest marker post or kilometer sign. This detail is the quickest way to locate you. Make sure everyone is at least several meters from the carriageway and behind the barrier if present. Walk directly to the emergency telephone post. They are typically placed about every 1 km and clearly visible. Press the call button and wait. Do not hang up until the operator answers. When connected, speak clearly and calmly. State the marker post or kilometer number, describe the incident type, number of people involved, and any injuries or vehicle hazards. The operator may ask specific questions. Answer briefly so they can dispatch the correct services. Once done, follow any immediate safety instructions they give. After you've called, return to a safe spot well away from traffic and keep everyone together. Do not attempt repairs on the carriageway. If responders are delayed or you cannot reach an emergency phone, use your mobile to call emergency services and share your location or signal the next traffic officer or patrol vehicle. If the call drops, go back to the same post and try again or move to the next telephone post. This usually restores connection. Key troubleshooting. If visibility is poor, use a torch or hazard triangles to remain visible while sheltered.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.